Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mundi FX right here, and welcome back to weekly breakdowns. And in this video, we'll be breaking down GBPUSD, EURUSD, and ADUSD. So make sure you watch to the end, and yeah, see you in the video. Peace. So yeah, welcome back, guys. If this is your first time in this channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and then share this video to your loved ones. I mean, yeah, share this video to your loved ones. So in this video, we'll be breaking down GPUSD, EURUSD, and ADUSD. So let's go first with GPUSD. What is GPUSD doing? Like what GPUSD will likely do for the week. And I have already made my analysis already. I've made my analysis already on this pair, and we're actually anticipating a buy for the week. We're anticipating a buy to sell. Like the overall expectation is a sell, but then we're anticipating a buy. Right. What I mean is we're actually anticipating a sell from here, right, of which we'll be getting into the buy from here, anticipating a sell from here. And if the market doesn't really give us our confirmation, we'll continue going long until we take out this weekly high. But how or why am I looking for buy here? As you can see, the overall structure right here is very much bullish, right? If overall structure is very much bullish, market actually mitigated the demand zone right here after taking out this inducement. Nice. All right. So after that, market take out, you know, market created under high right here, give us a very little retracement. I don't know if this is a retracement or just like a internal liquidity. What I mean by that is basically, this retracement is not, it's not a discounted, like the market never predicted a discounted demand zone. So I am guessing this is just like an internal range liquidity. But then let's just hope for the let's just hope that anything might happen, right? Let's just hope for the good side. This might be a change of character or an internal liquidity. That's basically why I have a pot of interest here, and I will explain just to show you watch to the end or keep watching. So now you can see that after the market give us this low right here, go back there again to mitigate some is weekly demand, a weekly supply zone, then and give us a very nice bearish market structure. So now giving us this bearish reaction right there, the market actually mitigated daily. Oh, sorry, the 3 hour demand zone right here. This demand zone as inducement. Market take out the inducement right here, mitigate the demand zone, and then give us a very nice internal change of character to the upside, or just like a bullish market confirmation. So after the change of character right here, the market come back here to mitigate the demand zone right here by taking out this ranging or took out these triple lows, this inducement right here. After the market take all this liquidity out, market will take the demand zone, then give us another broker structure to the upside by taking out this last high. So after the market took out the last high, what we expect the market to mitigate another demand zone again for the bullish confirmation. Simple, right? So now we have something like this very nice demand zone right here. We have this very nice demand zone right here. But I am guessing this demand zone is just like an inducement. This is not really the pot of interest, right? Because even if you can see something like this is basically just like a trend and liquidity. So we expect the market to take out all the whole of this ranging liquidity and then mitigate um this eating base, right? This eating base is basically as you guys can know, or if you guys are very much active on my channel, you know that I don't really trade eating base without confirmations, right? I actually have this eating base right here. This eating base has this inducement, right? So I'll be taking the trade off of this eating base only if I see a bullish confirmation. Simple, right? Yeah, just like that. So now, yeah, we actually have two AD bases, right? We have this one right here, and we have this week two right here. That's basically an 18 base. But then we just need to be, reactive. Let's see what or which the market might use. So now, why do I have this point of interest marked out? Marked out, right? You guys can see earlier I explained that this point right here might be a change of character or an internal liquidity, as you guys can see. So now let's consider this as a change of character. All right, let's consider this as a change of character. If this is a change of character, we will expecting the market to, we trace back to the supply zone that created the change of character, then give us a very nice sell to the downside. And you can see this is the supply zone or the unmitigated zone that we have left, right? This is unmitigated supply zone that we have left, which has a very nice inducement right there. Right, we will expect market take out this inducement, give us a bearish confirmation, then we go short. But then if the market never give us a bearish confirmation, we continue going long because we consider this one as a internal liquidity, then this one as a mitigation. Right. So now if the market never expect the supply zone, we'll be expecting a buy to this all-time high. But then if the market expected the supply zone, then take this one as a change of character, we'll be expecting sales down to this low right here, right? I mean, you know, this last low right here, then sell continuation to this all-time low that we have right here. It's very long, like a very, very long journey. But then let's see how this goes, right? Let's see how this goes. And we actually have news for the week, like fundamental that we affect, so that might affect the market for this week. So yeah, that's all about GBUSD. Let's get straight to AUD or EU, anyone. All right, EU USD, Euro USD. On Euro USD, you guys can see that basically the same thing, right? We are still kind of bullish in the current structure, right? We are still kind of bullish in the current structure. So as you guys can see, we had this very nice bullish market structure on Euro USD. After that, we can see a very nice change of character right here. We have a very nice change of character right here, right? Market taking out this low as something like after getting a higher high, it could give us a lower low by taking out this higher low, right? Market took out this higher low to give us a lower low. So now we just need to anticipate or wait for a mitigation to the supplies that sponsor the change of character, then we go short. So basically, I have to put of interest, right? It's a put of interest that sweeps liquidity. I have this one right here with inducement. I have this one too right here with a very nice inducement. So both of these put of interest are in balance. As you guys can see, we have this very nice imbalance right here, and we have another nice imbalance right here. So both suppliers and sweep liquidity, you can see that we have a week above this last counter right here that grabs liquidity. Same things happen right here. So now that's basically my plan on Euro USD. I'll be expecting nice sales from any of the suppliers on right, only if I see the selling confirmation. So now you can see that the current structure changed from bearish to bullish. Why? You guys can see that we have something like this. We have a low, lower high, lower 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 low. Then we had a higher high right there. So that higher high is where the trend changed from bearish to bullish. Then after the higher high, we had a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're choosing a higher low right now for an higher high to the selling point of interest for the week. Right. So now we'll be expecting nice buys from any of these demand zone, right? Because I have two put of interest on this one, two of which I'll be expecting change of character or any bullish confirmation from any of the spot of interest, which is basically this one and this one, right? This one has a very nice inducement right there, and then give us a very nice inducement with a very nice psychological level of 1.06000, and the second part of interest sweeps liquidity and have a very nice imbalance that's sitting around. Okay, this one is not in the psychological level. Then I'll be expecting bullish part of interest or bullish move for any of these, you know, any of these what's it called, any of these spots of interest, right? I'll be expecting bullish move. And on this internal structure right here, this internal structure, let me show you guys in 45 minutes time frame. This internal structure, I'll be expecting a sell from this supply zone. I'll be expecting a sell from the supply zone. Why? Because we have a broker structure, then we have an internal change of character right there. We have an internal change of character which shows or gives something like, a trend change, internal trend change, and you can see the market, the bearish market or the bearishness hasn't mitigated any of my put of interest. So I'm still thinking, or I'm still very sure the market will still sell. Why? Because it's still bearish. We haven't mitigated any bullish put of interest yet. So the buy is not really ready yet. So I'll be expecting a very nice sell from the supply zone. If the market comes to mitigate the supply zone, I'll be expecting a sell right there, just a very nice sell confirmation. Then I will go in. Just a very nice sell confirmation. Then I will go in. And if the market doesn't give me my confirmation, I will not trade this because this is internal trend. You need to wait for extra confirmation just to trade it. So if the market give me very nice confirmation from here, I'll take the sell. Then I will take my profit at the inducement of my put of interest right here. So basically, I can see I have a broker structure. Then we have a share of character. We have this very nice inducement right here, which is the first spot of interest, which likely a lot of people will be looking to take that trade off from. We have this very nice liquidity, and then yeah, basically that's just it. I'll be expecting a sell from the supply zone, right? I'll be expecting a sell confirmation from the supply zone right there. So yeah, I think that's basically all on Euro USD. Let's go check AED USD, which is the last one. What AED USD will likely do for the week. Oh, I don't really have any markup on AU, sorry. But yeah, it's fine. Let me just do a quick one. Yeah, let me just do a quick one real quick. So then we'll be using the current structure, right? We're using the current structure. As you guys can see, we actually turned from bearish to bullish on AED USD. low, lower high, lower 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 low. Then we had a higher high. So now we have an higher low to expect another higher high. So you can see how simple this thing is, right? You can see how simple this thing is. You can see how simple this thing is. You'll be looking to target this high right here because we actually have sell pot of interest right there. But then I'm out of time. I can't really break it down right now. So now we're just expecting a bullish move from pot of interest from any visible demand zone right here. Expecting a bullish move from any visible demand zone right here. So right, I think everything all you just need to do is just look for a valid demand zone right at this point. Look for a valid demand zone right at that point, and then make that your point of interest. Then if the market comes back there, look for bullish confirmation. And if the market give you a bullish confirmation or a very good bullish confirmation, you strike, right? You buy, and then you take your profit at this point right here because market might likely sell from any of these points because I actually have a very much selling point of interest at this point, but I can't really break this trade down. I'm sorry, guys. Actually, I'm very much out of time, and so I had to end the class in the next 30 minutes. So yeah, that's basically all. And now that's basically fundamental technical analysis I have for the week. So now let's see the fundamentals that we have for the week.
Easy.
Forex Factory, and we actually have this climate count change, which is basically a high impact news on the 14th of November. I think that is tomorrow, right? We have this red folder news right here. We have another red folder news on USD, which is basically the CPI, core CPI MM, CPI MM, and CPI YY. So that's basically a red impact, red folder news with a very high impact in forex market. So you guys should just stay guided. Then after that, the ADSD, the AD which price index, GPUSD, we have under CPI again. I think that will be on Wednesday. And so yeah, we have the core CPI, core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index. So yeah, I think that will be. Oh, sorry. That'll be all for this week, guys. That'll be all for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Peace.